In August 2024, battery energy storage systems in ERCOT earned annualized revenues of $87 per kilowatt. And across the month, batteries performed on average around 0.7 cycles per day. But, as the green dots here show, there's a huge difference in the amount of cycling done by some batteries. In fact, one battery cycled only once in the entire month of August, corresponding to a cycling rate of less than 0.05 times per day. And the highest cycling battery, Odessa Southwest, averaged more than 2 cycles per day. Now, let's look at this from a different angle. Each bubble in this chart represents a battery. The average number of cycles per day that each battery performed in the month of August is plotted on the x-axis, while the amount of revenue earned by that battery is plotted on the y-axis. Lastly, the size of each bubble corresponds to the proportion of revenues earned across the 3 reserved ancillary services: RRS, ECRS, and non-spin. As you can see overall, the more cycling a battery does, the more revenue it tends to earn. However, this relationship may not be strong enough to justify higher cycling in the pursuit of higher revenues. The group on the left side of the graph are batteries that earned a high proportion of their revenues from reserve services. These batteries tended to earn lower average revenues, but performed around 4 times fewer cycles than those systems that earned a larger proportion of their revenue from regulation services. And where do energy arbitrage-focused resources come into the picture? Look at this group of batteries toward the top of the graph, which all earned a relatively small amount of revenue from reserve services. These batteries are primarily 2-hour systems that earned a larger proportion of their revenue from energy arbitrage than other batteries. This resulted in the highest per megawatt revenues of any batteries in ERCOT, but at the cost of higher cycling rates than reserve-focused batteries. To learn more about battery energy storage operations in August, check out the full article now. Thanks for watching.